Guess we're gonna start the morning off with a missed opportunity. I was trying to get the video started and up, but so I can record this trade I was gonna take, but I tried to take it without starting yet, and I didn't have my time and force to extend it because I'm pre-market. You can see down here. I was gonna buy the break over this line and over this candle, and I had it on a day, so I didn't get in. I didn't have the video going, and it went without me. So it was another great trade that would have worked. It did work. I just didn't get in on it, but my analysis is still on key. Okay, so this bar was too quick. I don't know if I should count this as it broke the support because it just went super fast. This bar, I guess, kind of did, but it consolidated really quick and came back up. So once this bar closes, I'm going to see if I can get in for the break over this bar. So 284 is where I want to get in. So I'm going to put my order out. It is limit. It's extended. What do you mean? I'm buying at limit. I don't get what the problem is. I guess I have to maybe add this. That really quick. Okay, I guess that works. I got filled at 97. Jesus, dude. Oh, we got a whole 10-cent spread. I didn't realize that. That sucks. Okay. Well, I guess I'm going to be risking 50 cents down for about $1 up. I don't know why it won't let me buy limit orders, because when you click on here, it is a limit order, but it still won't let me buy. So I just added buy the ask and sell the bid really quick so I can get in on the trade. That worked, but then there's a 5-cent spread now, 7 cents. Since they didn't make a lower low, I'm gonna try to see if this will break this high. Oh, I might get stopped higher. 21.39. Guess is my stop. Oh my god. I can't put stops in. I just have to hit sell the bid, which is gonna be 10 cents lower than what it currently is. That's gonna be bad. Okay. We have a big bid at 88. So that's good support. I'm just waiting here. It's not moving. Okay. Only if you guys just saw that, but the bid and the ask were both at 47 when it was up here at 50. That was weird. You could have bought and sold and not lost any money. This stock has like a 10-cent spread, basically. But they were both at the same. That's kind of weird. Um, let's see here. Should I just take my profit? Or should I see what it wants to do? I'm gonna hold it. You can have some big moves pre-market. I normally don't trade pre-market, so I'm gonna kind of see what happens. Does break 83, it's gonna have a big move. You can tell just by the resistance right there. It's about to. There we go. Yep, there's that pop. It's gonna break 23. And it's probably gonna come up all the way to 2350 if it does break that. Gives you some good momentum. Volume is dropping off though. That's not what I want to see. Okay, broke. Bang. And ooh, what's true? Taking that profit. Thank you. That was a great trade. Again, where did I get it on this stock? Basically bottom ticked it. That is my strategy. It would have worked here too. It worked here perfectly. Let me just tell you a little bit about the strategy. Basically, you wait for the pullback. It can make lows like it did here, but you wait. You wait to see. You gotta see if there's a good resistance or support level like it did here. And I waited to see if it was gonna break this or not. If it broke, I was gonna get in because it's making a high over this candle, the low. So it's already signaling an uptrend, and it just went over a resistance. So now this became support basically, except for this candle. It was kind of a rippy one. I couldn't take the trade because I didn't have my time and force on the right one, but missed on that. I was thinking about getting in down here, but I just didn't. And then I saw this little candle, and then I bought the break over this candle. I got filled 90 something, a little high because I did buy the ask, so it's actually 10 cents higher than the stock is. Or it's not. It's actually at the max price it is. Um, and it was a good trade. I just sold all up at 62, which is right where my cursor is. That was a great trade. $3.30. Let's just see how much that was on my money. It doesn't tell me till the market opens for some reason on TD Ameritrade. So, open my calculator. If I bought two at $21.97, multiply that by 2. That's how much money I used. And now if I take 3.30 divided by that number I just got, which is 43.94, 43.94, multiply that by 100 as a percent, I just made 7.5% on my money in that trade. It's a great trade. Great trade. Might as well stick to the stock. See what else it has. How much money do I got left? 98. I'll go in with another 2. Just kind of see. This is a support. We kind of broke it here all 3 times. This could be a new support though, right here. Looks like this is the one it's favoring instead of this one. I'm actually going to get rid of this line. Just waiting here. What I want to see is this candle kind of close down here. Let the next candle I want it to kind of be a little, and then the next candle I want it to break over that candle. So it's kind of like a dip trade. That's what I want to see. Look at that volume come in. That was a great trade. Would have been 2 great trades, but I forgot to put my time in force. So this will be a missed opportunity because I'm not going to buy it up here if it does break. That's just chasing. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let it pull back and stick to my strategy. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to wait until that happens. Okay, so I'm just going to start recording again. They're starting to pull back. I'm actually going to look for something bigger to come down here. Maybe at this support. Maybe that would be support. What the hell? Damn it. Why can't I pull this down? What's going on here? Okay, there we go. Wait, it is acting as support. Come on, let me click the damn button. Or it's not actually. It actually did break it. I didn't even see that. This is acting as support though. Resistance, resistance, support, support. That would be a great dip trade. Um, but for my strategy, I want this candle to be a tiny candle. I want the next candle to break over it. That's my strategy. I want the dip to happen. I want this candle to kind of do nothing. And the next candle, I want it to break it and then shoot up. So, looks like it's another missed opportunity, but you never know. This is live, so everything I'm saying is what I'm thinking. It's a lot harder when you're doing a live because you don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to get in over the break of that high. Oh, I got filled way high. Oh, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. I swear my order was up at the top there. Okay. I got in at 24. Definitely high. Oh, I did get filled way up here. Damn. That's what you get with pre-market. At least buying the ask. This might be a fake out. Fortunately, or unfortunately, my stop is going to be down here, which is a lot of room. That's like $1. I'm not really trying to risk that much down. They broke it. Oh my god, I got filled so bad on that. I sold it at 26. That's 25 more cents than I did not want. Jesus Christ. You can see that was a fake out. That's why I tried to get out at the support. If this was active hours, like day, from 9:30 to 4, I would have had my limit order 1 cent below, so I wouldn't have had to worry about missing anything. Since it's pre-market though, it's really hard to. You can't really do that. How much money we got to use? 50. I'll go on with another 2. So now they're starting a downtrend. Obviously, this is going to be a resistance now. I didn't even look at the volume. I just noticed how small that volume was. This volume was even tinier, and it was a good move. That was a that was actually a horrible trade. It was horrible because one, it wasn't exactly my setup. For my setup, I normally want this smaller, and I don't want to get filled 20 something cents higher, and I don't want to get out 20 cents lower. That just cost me a whole dollar there, basically, of profit. If you add 20 cents up, 20 cents down, call it 50 cents times 2, it's $1. So they're going to break this? Yep, they just broke it. Or not. They broke it by a cent. The low of that candle is 21.50. I want to zoom out and see what that support was even for. Oh, it was this support back here. That's why you gotta draw your trend lines, because this can be supporting something from like a whole day ago. You always gotta make sure you have larger time frames on, because you never know. But this is looking like a good setup here. Good dip. Um, that's exactly what I was just gonna say. I want this to come down a little more. If it will, no. We're going into market open, so I'm just gonna change that to day. I don't know if I want to buy here and hold it through market open. I don't think so. Because market open can go either way. I'm just gonna wait. So one good trade, one crappy trade. Partially because I didn't get filled right. I think it's because I'm using buy the ask, but that's basically the only way to get in. If I do buy the bid, I won't get filled. I'll get filled way too late. Half the time you don't even get filled at buy the bid because sellers don't really want to come down 10 cents to sell to you. Well, yes, to do. You're selling to the bid. Alright. I don't trade the first minute because you never know what's really going to happen. Sometimes not even the second minute if it's just too crazy. So I'm going to zoom out because it's a big bar. There we go. Yeah, look how volatile that is. 23.50 to 21. What's that? $3.50? $2.50. Just up and down, a matter of seconds. You could have made some good money if you were just scalping, kind of. But I don't know. Damn. Okay. So I can use buy market now. Holy crap. So I definitely missed that. It's not the hive day. I'm gonna have to draw some new support lines though, since they're moving so much now. So we call this resistance. Call this resistance. Call that support. We call this resistance. Lots of lines, but they all have a meaning. So now we wait for my setup. Now that's $3.50 down. Wow. How much volume is that? 1 million. That's crazy. That's not even that much, really, when you really think about it. But for stock that is $22, I guess it's kind of a lot. I do want this to break this low. Yeah. I want it to come down more for a nice setup. Next candle, I kind of want it, nothing really anything. I want to get rid of this crap, though. I don't use that. Would have been a good dip trade, maybe. It could still come down. It's got 30 seconds. Looks like it is. I want it to kind of close red, like down here-ish. I want the next candle to start to uptrend. That's what I want. That really did just turn green. That's crazy. It's going to close red now? Nope. So I'm not going to get in. It would have been great to get in, yeah, but staying doesn't really make up its mind. Definitely missing some good opportunities for dip trades. But when I do get in a dip trade, that's going to be the time it does come crashing down. So I'm not even going to try. Okay, so I did just cut it like 20 seconds ago, but they did just break into this resistance, which is previous high, not all-time highs, but previous highs about at 8:30 in the morning, and they have a huge red candle, so could be an opportunity here now. You got 20 seconds left. Huge bear volume, huge bear candle, like enormous. How many dollars is that? That's $3. That's a whole lot. Too bad this is cash count. So I was actually, if it wasn't, I might have taken a short position. Um, I'm not gonna get in. I want this candle to kind of be small, and then the next candle to break it. Just dip trading like that, falling the catching knife, or catching the falling knife. I just read that backwards. Doesn't always work out. I guess there's nothing to trade, so I'll come back again. Oh, okay, I'm back again. They just faked out super hard and they just made no low. Let's see if they can do my setup here. Possibly buying over the break of these might be good. If it does come up, I might buy that. At the same time, I don't know. I'm not gonna buy it. It might be missed. I'm not gonna do it though. I still feel like they can drop too much. Because if I switch you guys to my other screen, look at my 1 day 5 minute chart. They're so stretched. Oops. Like they have so much room to fall. I don't know if it's a good idea or not to buy that. Now, that's my strategy. I'm actually going to get in. And just wait and see here. Looks like it's not going to work. $250 is the support. I'll sell them at $149. That's why I stop. Basically, this would be okay. I'm going to get stopped out. Did it just come touch my stop? I mean, thank you. It didn't stop me out. I swear that just went below my stop there. Yeah, make this a little bigger. I'm gonna turn show trades off for a minute. Okay. Looking for another pump once it breaks this 250-ish level, or 2350-ish. Or I get stopped out. I normally don't trade stocks this big, but it's the best one in my scanner today. Next one is QUIK. Okay, there's that push. I got in pretty high, huh? I did get in this candle. Just wait. 24 is a resistance. I'm trying to see if there's going to be a big bid. Any buyers up there? Any buyers? Any buyers? They did break it. There we go. I'm not going to sell yet. I feel like the next candle is going to have some continuation in it. We finally got some increasing bull volume. This candle is going to close hopefully up here. Next candle hopefully continues the trend here. Let's see. Is it gonna? Jam. I guess not. Still holding it though. just for that reason there. This thing is so rippy, which is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing because you can get stopped that easy, but you can also make some good gains. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. A continuation. See what happens if it comes up to 70.25. I'm gonna sell. Oh, I'm selling it. Oh, what happened? What's happening? Let me out! What is happening? Oh my, stop! No, 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 no. Oh my god, I just had a heart attack, man. Holy crap. Why doesn't it just say you have an open order out? Like, what is it saying all the other bullcrap for? Jesus, man. Link orders. No. That was another good trade. What is that? That's over $2.20 a share I just made. That is great. Obviously, could have held it longer. I was just panic selling because I made a stupid mistake of not canceling my stop. Now, if I had a margin, I wouldn't. That wouldn't have mattered because I could short. It calls that short if you're selling your position. How much money do I got? $4. Okay, so I can't play these guys. I'm just gonna save that money for tomorrow, unless this stock has something. Holy crap! Oh my god, guys! I would have just been stopped. Did it get halted? They went from 26.50, 26.29. I call it 26.30 all the way down to 22. I need some water. Yeah, they got halted. Well, enough of that stock. I guess I'll go over my trades really quick. I had one good trade, one bad trade, another great trade. You can see where I do get in, I seem to be bottom ticking it with this strategy. Um, and I do seem to be almost top ticking it to sell. Got it out at 25.78, which is right 1 cent above that resistance. This trade was trash. I'm gonna zoom in and go over them. Why does it do that? Okay, that sucks. Let me not do that. Let me get rid of all this drawings. That will help you. I know these lines get very annoying, but they help me make some money today, so. That is a crazy big bar. I'm so glad I did get out. I didn't even see how much P&L. I'm up almost $6. That's pretty good. Alrighty. So, pre-market. At 9:13, I got in 2 shares at 21.97 for the break over this candle because it was a dip buy. Not a dip buy, but my strategy. I let the dip happen. I want it to be a small candle, kind of like this body, and I buy the break over for the uptrend to start. Obviously, it started and it came back down. I was scared and it went up and it pulled back. And I was like, uh oh. And then it skyrocketed. You can see that was one great trade. This trade is not good. I'll explain why. So I got in at 23.24. So let me just see where that is. 20. Okay, it's way up here. I got in up on this candle way up here because I got filled way high. I wanted to buy here, 23.11. I got filled 13 cents higher for the break over this candle. Either I was late, I was maybe a half a second late into it, but the bid and the ask is so far. It was like 10 cents then, so add up to about 20 cents. I lost. And then fake out. It didn't do anything. And I tried to sell at the support right here at 22.50, and I sold at 22.26. So the 25 cents I lost down from bad fills and 25 cents I lost up from bad fills basically made me lose an entire dollar on this trade. Well, I guess I lost $2 because that's $1 between times two. So if it was normal fills, I would have only lost $1. But bad trade, didn't work out. This trade, a great trade. Um, Bought at 23.46, which is right here. I guess I got in at the very top. That probably was another bad fill. I think I wanted to get in over the break of this candle. I did use buy market, so fills aren't always where you want them. Only limits get you that. So I wanted to get in over the break of this red candle, but I guess I got filled 30 cents higher. That's a lot. I was down like $2. I didn't sell. So I still felt like it had a great bull momentum that was going to happen. You can see the bear volume is decreasing and bull volume kind of consolidated here and then skyrocketed. Um, and I was only up a little bit and then all the way up, sold at 25.78, which is basically like top ticking, let's say. Sold at 1 cent higher than here. So another great trade there. I am up $5.98. I'm gonna do what do you call it? Quick percent change. Well, you can just see P&L percent. Oh, since my P&L is not open, it's not gonna tell me. But what I'm gonna do is figure it out for you live. So I'm gonna add up everything I bought. That will tell me how much I spent compared to how much I made. So I'm gonna pause it so I can add it up so you don't have to stay here for a minute. So okay, so total I've spent during all the trades. Holy crap, hold on. Let me just go back to my other one. Look at these guys. Now this is a dip trade. You would just made $1.50 right there, real quick. From where it was, it just popped up $1.50 a share. I don't have any more money today. I'll have some more money tomorrow. Me, I would get in right here over this break of this candle. So I'd be in. And we'll come back to that maybe. Okay, so I spent $137.34 basically. And I made, let's call it, okay, we'll just say $5.98. So you take $5.98, divide by how much I actually made, or how much I spent, 137. Call it 40 cents. No, 34 cents. Times that by 100. Made 4.3% of my money today. It is a small account, but that's still great. Great on your money. Very good. Now we're going to come back to this other monitor. That was a whole dollar. Anyway. So, hope you guys enjoyed these live trades. You can actually hear and kind of feel my emotions, see what I'm thinking. You know, debate in your head: is that good? Is that not good? Why'd you do that? If you felt like that, leave a comment below. What I could do better. Definitely, I read almost every comment. Well, I only get a couple comments, so I read them all, reply to them all. If you got any value out of this video, if you learned something, make sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. With that said, have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching.